Hey everybody, I'm not gonna lie. I just did one of the stupidest things ever. I got a septoplasty on Thursday, and I've been doing really good. I've been doing everything, and I'll go into details in another video. I just want to tell you about the biggest mistake I made. Don't worry, it's all fine. It's all in one place. It's all good. But I mean, oh god, it's Tuesday, so it's technically the first day of recovery. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I'm in day 5. So things are healing quite. I sneezed, and I have been sneezing, but I sneezed out of my mouth before. But this time I sneezed like regular.